In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams using the web version in Chrome. If you want to update the image that appears next to your name in Teams and across other Microsoft 365 services, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. Before you begin, make sure you already have a photo saved on your computer that you want to use. It's a good idea to choose a clear, professional-looking image so it displays well in your account. To get started, open your Chrome Window Framework app and load Teams Microsoft.com. Wait for Microsoft Teams to fully open so all the account options are available. Once you're on the main Teams screen, direct your attention to the very top right corner of the window. There, you'll see your existing profile circle avatar icon. Go ahead and click that icon to open your profile options. After the profile menu appears, look for your current profile image. Move your cursor over the picture area and you should see a camera icon appear. In some versions, you may instead see an option labeled Change Profile Picture. Either way, select that option to continue. This takes you to the image update area where you can replace your current photo with a new one. Next, click the Upload Picture Action Label button or link. This will open your computer's file picker so you can browse the file saved on your local disk drive. Locate the clean photo file you want to use, click on it, and confirm your selection. Once the image is uploaded, Teams will usually display a preview so you can quickly check that the photo looks centered and appropriate before saving it. When everything looks good, click Save or Apply. This final step synchronizes your new profile picture, so it updates not only in Microsoft Teams, but also across other Office or Microsoft 365 services connected to the same account. Depending on your organization and connection speed, the change may appear immediately, or take a little time to fully show everywhere. And that's it. Your profile image has now been updated through Teams and Chrome. If the new photo doesn't appear right away, give it a few minutes and refresh the page if needed. Using a high-quality image with a simple background usually gives the best result. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.